how to import photos, videos, music and other files in CapCut. To do it, open CapCut and then click here on import, and then look for the video that you want to add on CapCut or any other file. If you have imported your file, to add it on timeline, you click here on this plus button. If you do it, the video will be automatically added to the timeline. If you want to add another file to CapCut, you click here on the import again. Let me use a picture now. You click on it and then you click on open. It is added into the CapCut. If you want to add it to the timeline, you click on this plus button. As you can see now, my file has been added to the timeline. Guys, this is how you can add different files to the CapCut, and if you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel.